Hey guys, welcome back to SRT Learning, and today we're gonna cover one more. I will just say the most frequently asked interview questions for Selenium profile. So let's we go and see what is that questions and how you can do practically by the syntax and the description of that question. Okay. So this question for today's video will be how to handle the multiple browser windows or tab in Selenium. Okay. So when we go with this one, you need to always think about step by step how you can handle this thing step by step. Okay. So I have put it like this way, so it will be easy for you to understand. Okay. So in Selenium WebDriver, you can handle the multiple browsers or tab using the window handlers. Okay. So you need to use the window handlers. Handlers means I will just say in our terms, it will be the unique key for the windows that you need to capture and you need to utilize or you need to use to switch between the windows. Okay. So what you will do, so let's we see the first steps. First you need to do get the main window handles. Okay. So this command you need to use and you need to store in a string variable. Okay. So let's suppose I am on my home page where I have different links, and I'm gonna click on the link and it will open the new tab. But before doing that action, what I need to do, I need to capture my main window. Okay. So what I will do, string main windows driver dot get windows handles. So this will give the main window, whatever the window currently you are, it will be stored under the main window string. Okay. So understand this command, driver dot get window handle. Okay. Now what you need to do, after you will capture this particular main window, then you can perform the click on button or on link. So whatever the button or whatever the link you will have, you can click on that one. So suppose I want to click on some link on that particular main window, and which will be open another window or tab for me. Okay. So I will perform the normal Selenium action, that will be the driver dot find element by dot link name, and I am just performing the click actions. So once I will perform the click action, what will happen, I have another window which has opened based on the click action, and I have a main window. So two window I have as of now. Okay. If I click on the multiple tab or multiple link, it will open the multiple windows, multiple sub window I can just say. So now what you need to do, you need to store that particular recently opened window under the set. I will just set by why, because set will help you to store all the windows that you have opened, and it will only store the unique ID. Okay, that is the one good things in a set. You cannot have a duplicate information or duplicate record in a set. So what I am going to do, I will use set string all windows. So whatever the next window has been opened, I want to capture that window ID, and what I can use, driver dot get window handles. So over here you see it says s over here, and over here it's simple. So first window will be get window handles, and then it's get window handles. This is another interview questions, they might be asked you what is the difference between the get window handles and get window handles. Over here you will get a list of the IDs of the recently opened windows except the main window, and over here you can store in a set string, and this is the string you will store over here. And then what you can do, how you can switch between the window now. So you need to run a for loop. So whatever the I will just say the window handles has been saved in this all windows, you can just run a for loop like this way, string handles all windows. If it is not equal to the main window, if it is not main window, then switch to that particular handle. So this is how you can ignore. If it is not if it is main window, then do not perform. If it is not a main window, the handle ID is not main window, then switch driver dot switch to dot windows and handles. So what it will do, it will automatically switch the driver's control to the next newly opened window after the click event happen. Okay. Now what you can do, perform certain action on that new window that you have opened by clicking. So you can provide some input field, you can do a search, or you can perform certain action on that particular newly opened window. And once the work is done, what you can do, you can close that window. So what you can do, driver dot close, it will be close the current window, current tab that you have opened. Now after closing, people think okay, that window has been closed, now control has automatically diverted to the main window. No, that will not happen. You have to perform this command, driver dot switch to window and main window. You need to provide this command, then and then driver controls will be landed to the main window, and then you can perform other actions. You can perform on another link, and then perform another actions. Okay, so always make sure if you answer like this way, if you understand this syntax, you will this sequence, it will be easy for you to understand the syntax. Main window will be get window handles, one handles will be main window, then subsequent after clicking whatever the windows have opening, you will get with get window handles in a set string. And to get that particular handle, what you can do, you can run a for loop, and you will try to ignore if it is not a main window, then switch to the another window that has been opened. Okay, then you can perform your actions, and you can use driver dot close, and then driver dot switch to window and main window. Okay, now few of the keynotes you need to always remember when you answer these questions. Okay, so get window handles, return the current window handle string. Okay, get window handles, return the set string of all the open windows. Always use switch to dot window before interacting with any web element on that particular tab. Otherwise it will not capture, it will throw you some exception like no such element found, because you have not done. And after all your operation has been done, if you want to come back, what you can do, driver dot close, and then driver dot switch to the main window, and which will give you the current window. Okay, do not use driver dot quit, guys. If you use driver dot quit, it will close all your windows. Okay, so this is the question, and this is how you should answer in your interview, how to handle multiple browsers or multiple tabs in Selenium window. Okay, so keep watching this video and keep learning the Selenium and keep cracking the interviews, guys. Thank you.